Hello everyone, welcome back to Vikas YouTube channel. In this video, we'll discuss 3 biggest off-campus hirings from Walmart, Amazon and Tata Steel. Walmart is currently hiring for the position of Software Engineer 2. If you have a passion for technology and want to work with one of the largest retail companies, then this opportunity might be perfect for you. As a software engineer too, you'll play a crucial role in developing and enhancing the software systems. You'll be working in a team of developers writing codes to build one of these systems, enhancing user experience. And coming to the requirements, you must currently pursue a bachelor, master's or an equivalent degree in engineering and are to graduate in 2023 only. And you must have a combined aggregation score of 7 or above across all semesters. Possess an extremely sound understanding of the basic areas of computer science such as data structures, algorithms, object-oriented programming and design. And also you should have a good command of any one of the programming language, that is C, C++, Java. And also you must have strong problem solving skills, design making, and excellent communication with interpersonal skills. Tata Steel is hiring for research associate, and coming to the skills required, basic knowledge of Microsoft Office, Python and AutoCAD, technical patent or paper writing, critical thinking. And coming to the qualification, you must be a BE, BTech, ME, MTech in chemical engineering, metallurgical engineering, mineral engineering and fuel engineering. And experience required is 0 to 3-year experience is preferable. Job requires operation on both hardware and software. Amazon is hiring for business analyst role. Coming to the preferred and basic qualifications, you must be a bachelor in STEM or other technical fields. Proficiency in MS Excel and SQL is must. And coming to the preferred qualifications, experience in creating and managing dashboards, experience in automation using Excel VBA. That's all for today's video. If you found the information helpful, please like, share and subscribe to Vikas YouTube channel.